Paying taxes is part of running a successful business, but paying more than necessary because strategy was missing is something many business owners can improve once they gain the right guidance. One of the most common questions I hear from women business owners is this: how do I know if I'm paying too much in taxes? And it's a great question because the truth is many business owners are overpaying and they just don't realize it. It's not because they're doing something wrong, but because they've never been shown how tax strategy actually works. So in today's video, I'm going to walk you through 5 signs that you may be paying more in taxes than necessary and what that usually indicates about your financial strategy. Taxes are one of the biggest expenses business owners face, and unlike many other expenses, taxes often can be influenced through planning and structure. When strategy is missing, the result is usually one thing: pay more than necessary. So understanding the warning signs helps you identify when it's time to look deeper. Sign number 1: you only talk about your taxes once a year. The first sign you may be overpaying taxes is if taxes are only discussed during tax season. Filing a return is not the same as planning. Tax preparation looks backward, tax strategy looks forward. If your tax conversations only happen when documents are being submitted, you're probably missing opportunities that happen throughout the year. Another sign is when your tax bill feels like a shock every year. Ideally, taxes should be predictable when you have clarity around your numbers and plan ahead. You should already have a general sense of what to expect. Surprises usually mean planning hasn't been part of the process. Sign number 3: you don't know your profit until tax time. Many business owners track revenue, but they don't regularly track their profit. But profit is what determines taxes. When you understand profit throughout the year, you can adjust decisions, you can adjust your spending and strategy accordingly. Waiting until tax season to discover your profit leaves very little room to optimize the outcome. Sign number 4: your business structure has never been reviewed. Businesses evolve, revenue grows, expense change, operations expand, but many business owners stay in the same tax structure they started with, even when their situation has changed. Periodically reviewing how your business is taxed ensures the structure continues to support your goals. The final sign is when taxes consistently feel confusing or overwhelming. Complexity often signals that clarity is missing. When women understand how their finances work, taxes stop feeling mysterious. Instead, they become another part of a well-managed financial system. Paying taxes is part of running a successful business, but paying more than necessary because strategy was missing is something many business owners can improve once they gain the right guidance. Awareness is the first step towards better financial decisions. If this episode helped you better understand your tax situation, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Every week, I share insights to help women business owners minimize taxes, gain financial clarity, and build wealth from the business they're working so hard to grow. Like this video so more women can find it, and comment below: have you ever felt surprised by your tax bill? In the next episode, we'll talk about how women business owners can start turning business income into long-term wealth. I'll see you there.